Good morning, everyone. Let's start our day with a wonderful little story. One beautiful morning, a small orange cat woke up early. The sun was shining brightly, and the birds were singing their happy songs. The little cat felt very curious and decided it was the perfect day for an adventure. So it trotted into the forest, looking all around. Suddenly, it heard a tiny voice cry, "Help! Help!" The cat followed the sound and found a little bird stuck under a heavy branch. The cat knew it had to be brave and kind. Using all its strength, it pushed the branch with its paws until the little bird was free. "Thank you, my friend," chirped the bird as it flew away. The cat walked home, feeling so happy and proud. It learned that being kind is what truly makes you brave. Thanks for listening, and remember to subscribe for more stories.